Welcome to your first year of college, an exciting journey where you'll lay the foundation for thriving in the dynamic AI era. First and foremost, focus on your fundamentals. Building a strong base in subjects like mathematics, computer science, and critical thinking is essential. These subjects are the core pillars supporting an understanding of artificial intelligence and will equip you with necessary skills for the future. Next, hone your communication skills. In a world increasingly driven by AI, the ability to convey ideas clearly and concisely remains invaluable. Whether you're debating ideas in a classroom or presenting a project, effective communication can set you apart. Moreover, college is the perfect time to forge lifelong friendships. Building a network of supportive peers offers not only emotional support, but also opportunities for collaboration and learning. Remember, thriving in this age isn't just about technological prowess. It's about balancing knowledge with the ability to connect, collaborate, and contribute meaningfully to society. So embrace the journey ahead, pursue growth relentlessly, and prepare yourself for a future where your role will be defined not just by technology, but by the human connections and understanding you cultivate.